Oh, look who's coming! Outside customer of the week. How are you, friend? Back again?
Hey girls, it's me again. I swear I can't get off my head. Yesterday I took a pizza to have for dinner with my family, and we were so completely silent for 10 minutes. Nobody was talking. We were so engrossed in eating.
That's what you call the hypnosis effect of our pizza.
Neighbor, it's so good to see you again. I saw you arrived at Topor. You didn't finish that pizza yesterday? Tell me the truth. Did you finish it or did you leave the little bits for breakfast?
No way, I didn't even last 15 minutes at the table. Flee of the house today just for lunch.
The spirit, you right fresh, and made to other. No, let me guess. Shall we have the house favorite again?
Exactly. I can strain for the specialty, the one with mushrooms, ham, and plenty of cheese.
We have a special. Look, my friends, you know the secret to good day start here first, or home the sauce we cook for how we secret spice.
Mmm, that smell is making my hungry too.
And not what you love. The something chopper and friends uh, measure with the select on the ensure they or they pay of flavor. Everything fresh right here in the cards.
You can really tell the difference. Yesterday, mushrooms were super juicy. That's why I came back.
That's our signal touch. But why there is still the right king of the card? Mozzarella cheese. They are general handle of cheddar and the spread in the general of the pizza. Pizza.
That it was fear because you can never have too much cheese.
Cover eating. That's going to be amazing. Look at this white golden on the edge. The cheese perfect melted, and the mushrooms roasted to perfection. Careful, don't burn yourself. This form of the building job.
What a sieve! My mouth is watering. Just look at it.
Your friends heard your lunch.
Thank you so much, ladies. Seriously, if you're looking for the best mushrooms, ham, and cheese pizza, look no further. You have to come to this car right now.
You hear right. We're waiting for you here with the dough ready, fresh ingredient, and the over on the miss out.
That's right. Come visit us or message us to Selby your bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hi, thank you.